Hey, imagine building a complete sales funnel, landing page, email automation, payment system without spending a single dollar. Sounds impossible, right? Well, it's not. Here's the truth. Most entrepreneurs waste months and thousands of dollars on complicated tools only to end up frustrated. But what if I told you there's a way to create your entire sales funnel completely free? Let's break this down. A sales funnel isn't just a buzzword. It's the backbone of every successful online business. It's how you capture attention, turn strangers into leads, and leads into loyal customers. But here's the problem. Tools like ClickFunnels or Kajabi, they cost a fortune. And for beginners, that price tag can kill your momentum before you even start. That's where System.io comes in. Think of it as the all-in-one platform that gives you everything you need. Website builder, funnel builder, email marketing, automation, all under one roof. And yes, there's a forever free plan. Here's the part that surprises most people. With System.io, you can launch your very first sales funnel today without paying a cent. You don't need hosting, you don't need to juggle 10 different tools, and you don't need to be a tech wizard. Just drag, drop, and launch. So how does it work? Imagine you're creating a simple funnel, a landing page that collects emails, an automated sequence that builds trust, and a checkout page that sells your product. Normally, you'd pay hundreds every month to make that happen. But with System.io, you can set it all up in one dashboard, test it, and go live, without ever reaching for your credit card. Now here's the kicker. While most people are still stuck paying for bloated platforms, you'll already have a professional funnel running for free. That's not just saving money. That's buying back your time and energy so you can focus on growing your business. Curious to see how it's done? I've linked a step-by-step tutorial on how to build your first funnel in System.io. You can find it right here in the info card or in the description below. The choice is simple. Keep paying for tools that drain your wallet or discover how to launch a complete funnel for free. Click the link, watch the tutorial, and start building your funnel today. Because the faster you launch, the faster you grow.